Hi, in this video we'll learn how to multiply rational expressions. So here in the numerator, let's see what is common. How do we simplify this? So first of all, we're going to see what is common in here. Do you find something common in the numerator? This is y cubed and this is y squared. I see that both have y squared in common. So I'm going to factor out y squared. So let's factor out y squared. Okay. When you factor out y squared, you need to think what is left inside. Now here, since you factored out y squared, this is y cubed. Since you factored out y squared, you just only have one y left. So you're going to write here y and then plus. Now 5 will be as it is, so we'll write 5 here. And then y squared. Since you factor out y squared, so you don't have anything here. So we're going to write this as y plus 5. And then over 21y cubed times 9y cubed over y plus 5. Now there's another way to know what is left inside the parentheses when you factor out something. I'm going to tell you that. So let's just writing this expression here, y cubed plus 5y squared. So now since I factored y squared, I need to think what is left inside. So what I'm going to do is, whenever you need to find what is left inside the parentheses when you factor out something, you have to divide your term, every single term, with the factor. So you're going to divide y cubed with y squared. So that's another trick to do it. Otherwise, if you get this step, that's fine. If not, then this is another way to do it. So here I have y cubed. And then I'm going to divide that with my factors. I'm going to divide that with y squared. Okay, when you do that, this is y cubed and this is y squared. So I can write this as y times y times y. And then I can write y squared as y times y. And then you can cancel out the common numerator and the denominator. So I can cancel out these two y's with these two y's and I'm only left with y. So I can write y inside the parentheses. Now what do I write here? Since I have a plus sign in between, I'm going to write the plus sign. And then I have to divide 5y squared with y squared. Make sure you have to divide every single term with the factor. So now we're going to divide 5y squared with y squared. And you can see that y squared and y squared can cancel out each other. And I'm only left with 5, so I'm going to write 5 here. So I got the same thing here, but with a different method. So that's another way to do it. Now, let's see what is common in the numerator and denominator. So we can divide that out. So y plus 5, I see that y plus 5 is in numerator as well as in the denominator. So I can cancel those out. And then I have a y. I see that y cubed is there in the numerator. Also, I see a y cubed in the denominator. So I can cancel those out. Now, let me see what is left in the numerator and the denominator. So I have y squared and 9 left in the numerator. The way I'm going to write it is we always write the number first. And then we write the variable. So I'm going to write 9y squared. If you want, you can write this as y squared times 9. It's the same. Over, and then what is left in the denominator? I see that 21 is left in the denominator, so I'll write 21 in the denominator. Now we can reduce 9 over 21. Let's divide the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 9 divided by 3 will be 3, and I also have the variable y squared, so I'll write that. And then 21 divided by 3 will be 7. So this will be 7. The denominator will be 7. So I can write this as 7th y squared or 3y squared over 7. And I cannot simplify this anymore. So that will be my final answer. This is my final answer. 3y squared over 7. That will be my final answer. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.